Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add items to wishlist on Shopee. Adding items to your wishlist on Shopee is super easy. First of all, go ahead and open up a web browser and type in shopee.com in the URL box and search. Also make sure to log into your Shopee account by entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in and you're in the home page, go ahead and browse through the product you like and choose the one that you'd like to add to your wish list. After finding the product overview page, scroll down and you will then be able to see this favorite button. Simply click the heart icon and the product will now be added to your favorite list. Repeat the step for any other product you'd like to add to your wish list, and that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Shopee tutorials. I will be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.